Two other sources where firms can go ahead and raise some type of financial capital are going to be venture capital and private equity. Venture capital is investment in startup companies with potentially profitable ideas. And venture capitalists are going to go ahead and target a little bit more newer firms with a lot of growth potential. So these angel investors or these venture capitalists, they take a look at exactly what companies are starting to get hot, and then they'll go to these companies and say, hey, I'll go ahead and invest a lot of money into your company, and you'll give me some type of control over the company or some type of share or ownership in your company, but you're going to be able to use this type of money to grow and make sure that the company is going to become very, very fast growing and very, very hot. And a lot of money can be raised through venture capital in a very, very short amount of time. And the vast majority of companies nowadays that you probably think about have been founded with venture capital. Google and Reddit are probably two of the best examples of firms that were actually founded with some type of venture capital. Private equity is going to be investment in struggling firms in an attempt to turn the company around for some type of profit. And private equity firms, they're going to be targeting a little bit more mature firms that are not doing well financially. And the idea behind private equity is that these firms and corporations, they say that they can go ahead and buy these struggling firms at a discount because they're not doing that great. And once they buy the firms at a discount or have majority control over the corporation, they can go ahead and insert their own people into the board of directors and insert their own managers, and these people know exactly how to turn companies around, how to cut costs, and make the company profitable again. And once the company is seen profitable in just a few years, then that's where the private equity firm is going to go ahead and sell the company for a much higher price than what they bought it for. And there's a lot of good private equity firms that work nowadays. There's a Carlyle Group, there's BlackRock, Blackstone. They have offices here in Miami, and that is basically the main idea that they have with private equity. So 4 sources of financial capital where firms can go ahead and raise some type of money. We have bonds, we have stocks, we have venture capital, and we have private equity. So a lot of similarities, but also a lot of differences behind these 4 sources of financial capital.